Unit 94, checking out, leaving the suite.
Is everything ready, Jenny? Can I lock up the suitcases?
I think so. Never mind my overnight bag. I'll look it up myself.
Have you looked in the drawers, behind the doors, under the bed?
Yes, nothing left.
What about you? Are you ready?
Quite ready. I'll just have to put on my hat and pick up my coat.
Okay. I'll call the bell captain.
Operator.
The bell captain, please.
Bell captain.
This is suite 2609. I'm checking out. Will you get me a limousine to the Kennedy Airport, please?
At what time, sir?
I must be at the airport in 2 hours.
I'll have you paged in the lobby an hour from now.
Thank you. And please, send for the luggage. Thank you. Now, Jenny, wait for the hotel porter. I'm going downstairs to pay the bill and get your jewels from the safe deposit box. Meet me in the lobby.
Do I tip anybody?
I have taken care of the floor maids. I'll tip the porter downstairs.
I'll go down as soon as the porter comes for the luggage.
Paying the hotel bill.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
It's no use being sorry. I'm paying through the nose in one's service. I don't see why I should be kicked around.
There's nothing I can do, ma'am. Please see the manager.
I most certainly will. I've never seen such sassy people.
Here's the receipt.
Thank you, sir. Here's your bill.
Can I pay in traveler's checks?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.